Hey, hello guys. A very good evening to each one of you. I hope you guys are doing great. So I welcome you all to the session today. So how are you doing? Let me know here in the chat box. कैसे हो आप लोग? जल्दी से मैम को जो है बता दो यहाँ पे chat box में. For the time being, I'm gonna give you a brief introduction of me to the students who don't know me yet. So there must be students who are not aware of me. What is my name? What is my qualification? What are my experiences? Right? So I'm gonna give you a brief introduction here. So my name is Smriti Singh. I have done B.Ed in English and Civics. I have experience of more than 4 years in teaching. So shuru mein I taught at an offline platform. Then I switched to online teaching. So right now I'm working at An Academy. अभी मैम An Academy पे काम कर रही है. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये पता चल गया है. But there are students who are yet to be aware of. Okay. चलो ठीक है. Now first of all, ma'am will tell you about An Academy subscription. That if you have An Academy subscription, what are the benefits that you're gonna get here? ओके अगर आप अन अकेडमी की सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो तो क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स आपको यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं सो एज यू ऑल नो अन अकेडमी गिव्स यू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वो भी लाइव क्लासेस है ना सो अन अकेडमी गिव्स यू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो कि आपके लाइव होते हैं जहाँ पे आपके इंडिया के टॉप मोस्ट एडुकेटर्स विल बी टीचिंग यू है ना ये बात तो समझ में आ गई मैम बाकी की चीजें बता दो सो नेक्स्ट कम्स you are gonna perform lots of quizzes there where you will be shown leaderboard जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे quizzes करवाए जाएंगे and आपको leaderboard भी दिखाया जाएगा from where you will get to know that where you are standing right what are the areas you need to work on the basis of your performance so that is what leaderboard is now next comes live doubt solving session so whatever is being taught to you जो भी आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है if you are gonna have some doubts related to that for that Unacademy is giving you live doubt solving session also which is specially for doubts where you can go with the set of doubts and they will be receiving and resolving your doubts okay next comes live interaction so their educators the topmost educators of India they are teaching right so they will not be just coming and just teaching you they will also interact with you and you are also supposed to interact with them okay so live interaction will be going on so feel free whatever you want to ask the teacher or educator who is teaching you you are free to ask as many questions you want okay and try to interact with the teacher and let me tell you teachers like when students interact with them right now next comes weekly test series now what is this weekly test series whatever you have learned in a week for that weekly test series are gonna be provided to you okay here an academy has taken care of that also कि आपने जो पढ़े हैं एक वीक में उसके बेसिस पे आपको जो है यहाँ पे टेस्ट सीरीज भी मिल रहे हैं जो कि बहुत ज्यादा आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहता है ना चलो ठीक है ये सारे बेनिफिट्स हो गए नाउ मैम विल टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स दैट यू आर गोना फॉलो if you want to have an academy subscription okay so first of all you need to figure out for how many months you want the subscription आप जो ये subscription ले रहे हो वो आपको कितने महीने के लिए चाहिए so just have a look here on the screen एक बार जो है नजर दौड़ा दो screen पे then you will be aware कि okay these are what ma'am is talking about है ना यहाँ पे आप देख लो 1 month subscription is there 6 month subscription 15 months 18 months 24 months 36 60 84 months now you have to figure out what is your need if your need is short term then go for short term subscription if your need you believe that no you need to learn from basics to fundamentals then go for long term subscription तो आपको जो है long term के लिए जाना चाहिए that is what I suggest okay their educator will be taking care of every bit of whatever is there in your course okay okay chalo now next what I'm going to tell you here is about the kinds of subscription that you're going to have and what are the benefits of that uske benefits kya hai kitne tarah ke subscription hai that also I'll tell you okay so here first of all we will talk about plus subscription that if you are going to have plus subscription what are the benefits under it okay so first benefit that you're getting here India's topmost educators. So here An Academy is hiring from all over India educators who are so experienced educators who are so qualified और जिन्होंने बहुत सारे schools में पढ़ाया है जिन्होंने बहुत सारे online platforms पे पढ़ाया है तो ऐसे educators will be teaching you just feel about it it will be great it will be amazing for you now next comes interactive live sessions now teacher whoever is coming to teach you here when you have plus subscription those educators will be interacting with you they will be very interactive with you and you are also supposed to interact with them feel free to whatever you want to ask there Okay, चलो now next comes structured courses and PDF notes. Now whatever like subscription तो आपने ले लिया है. Now आपके दिमाग में सवाल आएगा कि क्या मैम जो भी मेरे कोर्स में है सारी चीजें will be taught to us in a structured manner. Yes, everything will be taught to you. Educator will be taking care of everything, and also here educator is providing you with PDF notes. Now PDF notes will be very helpful for you because before exam you need to have some material, right, which you can go through and then you can perform well in the exam, right? So for that, educator will ensure that you all are getting PDF notes also. Next comes live test and quizzes. ये तो खैर आम बात है Unacademy पे. You are gonna have lots of tests and quizzes there. Okay, so feel happy about it. Oh, इतने सारे quizzes, इतने सारे टेस्ट, बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है. लीडर बोर्ड दिखाए जाएंगे जहाँ पे आपको आप देख सकोगे where you are standing. Sometimes you're on the top, sometimes you're not on the top. Where there you need to work on, right? Okay, now we will talk about iconic subscription. That if you have an iconic subscription, what are the benefits you're gonna get? So whatever benefits I told you, you are gonna get in plus subscription. Those benefits you are getting here also. वो सारे benefits आपको यहाँ पे भी मिल रहे हैं. Just have a look here. यहाँ पे एक बार नजर डालो और देखो कि वो सारे benefits you are getting here also iconic subscription में. So what else you are getting here, right? So that else thing is personal coach. So here you will be getting personal coach, and that coach will be helping you in planning your study. That coach will be giving you experts guidelines. That coach will be giving you test analysis, right? Test analysis matlab whatever you performed in a test uske analysis aapko diye jayenge so that you can work to improve your performance day by day. Okay, so these are the benefits that you're getting in iconic subscription. Okay, chalo theek hai, types pata chal gaye. Now what are the steps to have the app in your phone, right? First of all, you need to go to the Play Store. Play Store में चले जाओ. There you need to type this Unacademy. Unacademy जैसे ही type करोगे, Unacademy learning app will come up, and there you need to click on. Okay, जैसे ही click किया, then you will be getting this option install का. वहाँ पे click कर दो. App will be installed in your phone. चलो ठीक है मैम, ये ऐप तो आ गए मेरे फोन में. अब बता दो कि क्या करना है. उसके बाद जो है, you need to go inside the app, and there if you go to manage goals, you can see category wise they are mentioned, right? And here only you're going to find your category. Because अगर आप ले रहे हो, पढ़ने जा रहे हो, तो you have to be aware of your category, right? App has to be aware of your category. ठीक है? So from there you need to select your category. The moment you select your category, it will be asking you what kind of subscription you want. Okay, so I told you about the kinds of subscription you're getting here, right? So for the time being, just suppose you have not decided yet, that I know, but for the time being, just suppose that you are gonna get plus subscription. Okay, there you need to click on. The moment you click there, then you will be getting the option get subscription का. जैसे ही आप get subscription पे click करोगे, then it will be asking you how many months you want the subscription for. आपको जो है whatever subscription you are having, plus or iconic whatever, for how many months you want it. आपको कितने महीने के लिए ये subscription चाहिए, which you already have figured out, right? So accordingly you need to select that month from here, and then while doing the payment, if you apply the code SMRITI10, you will be getting instant discount of 10% there. आप जैसे ही मेरा ये कोड SMRITI10 if you apply, you will be getting 10% का off, irrespective of whatever category is there. Like आप किसी भी category के लिए ले रहे हो, if you apply this code on Unacademy platform, you will be getting 10% ka discount. Okay, doesn't matter for how many months you are taking the subscription. It doesn't matter for which category you are taking the subscription. But wherever you are taking the subscription on Unacademy platform, if you apply this code, you will be getting 10% का discount. That's guaranteed. Okay, चलो ठीक है, ये सारी बातें पता चल गई. Now what? Now it's about my channel. Okay, so many students are aware, बहुत सारे बच्चों को पता चल गया है. Smriti ma'am has started here a channel which is named as English Junior Pro, which is for the category 6 to 8. बहुत सारे बच्चों को पता चल गया है, but there are students who are not still aware. Now the ones who are watching me, this is your responsibility. Please go and spread this message around. Tell everyone. Bring them here, make them subscribe my channel English Junior Pro, and then make them attend the sessions. If they like the session, they can hit the like button and share with everyone. Okay, so this was about my channel. So here I'll be teaching you everything of English, like grammar, literature, as well as vocabulary part also I'll be taking care of. Okay, and many more chit chat sessions will be there, special sessions will be there जहाँ पे हम लोग doubts discuss करेंगे, और many more will be there. Okay, चलो ठीक है, it's about my channel हो गया, चलो ठीक है. अब now what about today, like what we are gonna learn today? This must be the question going on in your head, right? अभी चल रहा होगा कि मैम आज पढ़ाने क्या वाली है, वो तो बता दो मैम. So first of all, ma'am, what ma'am does, you all are aware, right? First of all, ma'am makes you people recapitulate. Okay, recapitulate means what? Ma'am makes you all revise what we learned previously. Okay, so first of all, we will revise what we learned yesterday, what the topic that we started yesterday, and we will continue with that. So my first question for the revision is, how many types of tenses are there? So you all are aware, because yesterday I started teaching you tenses, right? And there I told you tenses are like tense, the word tense is derived from the word tempus, which means time. So tenses tell you about time. Okay, with the help of tenses you get to be aware of the fact when that particular action is happening, whether in past, whether in present, or in future, right? So tense help you with that. Okay, that is what tense is. Then we learned about there are three types of tenses. Present. Present tense means what? Action that is happening in the present. Okay, then future tense. Future tense tells you that action will be taking place in future, in coming time. Then comes past tense. Now whatever action has been performed, has already been performed, that is what we call past tense. जो past में हो चुका है, पहले हो चुके हैं, वैसे actions को हम लोग बताने के लिए we take help of past tense, right? चलो ठीक है, ये सारी बातें हम लोग recapitulate कर लिए अभी. Now you need to answer the question here. Okay, अभी आपको यहाँ पे जो है आंसर करने हैं, क्वेश्चन के जल्दी से आंसर करने हैं. और आंसर करने के लिए आपको जो है फर्स्ट वाला मैम ने बता दिया. ओके, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेस आर देयर? सो देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेस: पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर, राइट? देन we learned about tenses, तो हमने पढ़े थे, definition, examples. Then we learned three types of tenses. Then we learned specifically about present tense. उस सेशन में yesterday specifically हमने present tense के बारे में पढ़े, the subdivisions of present tense, definition of present tense, examples of present tense, and subdivision of present tense, right? Okay, so how many subdivisions are there of present tense? So we learned about four subdivisions of present tense, that were what? Simple present tense, which tells you about habit. Then we learned about present continuous tense, means action that is happening right now at that particular time. That is what present continuous tense is. Then we learned about present perfect tense. What is this present perfect tense? An action that has been already performed, but रिजल्ट और कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज देयर इन प्रेजेंट. ऐसे एक्शन जो पहले हो चुके हैं बट उसके रिजल्ट या कॉन्सिक्वेंस जो है प्रेजेंट में है. सो समवेयर दैट एक्शन, दैट पास्ट एक्शन हैज रिलेशन to the present somewhere. So that is what we call present perfect tense. Then we learned about present perfect continuous. Now what was that? An action that has already been started in past at a point of time and which is still continued. जो पहले शुरू हो चुके हैं at a point of time, ऐसा action, और जो present में भी continued है, that is what present perfect continuous tense is. Okay, so here we revised all the subdivisions of present tense. Now we will move ahead and continue with the next part. So here, how many types of present tense are there? Four types, as I told you: simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Okay, so here we begin. Now today especially we are gonna learn about future tense. Okay, future tense जो होते हैं हम लोग आज वो पढ़ेंगे. Last हमने पढ़ा था present tense के बारे में, आज हम लोग सिर्फ और सिर्फ future tense के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, especially. Now first of all let me tell you, future tense जो होते हैं, that definition you already are aware. From the name itself it's very clear. Future मतलब होता है what? Coming time, which has not happened yet. Coming time. Future means that. तो जो भी एक्शन अब तक हुए नहीं है, फ्यूचर में प्लेस होंगे, दे आर कॉल्ड फ्यूचर टेंस. ये तो समझ में आ गया. नाउ दीज आर द सब डिविजन्स ऑफ फ्यूचर टेंस. ये जो दिए हुए हैं ये सारे सब डिविजन्स है. फ्यूचर टेंस के भी चार टाइप्स है, जैसे हमने प्रेजेंट टेंस के फोर टाइप्स पढ़े हैं. ओके, सो फ्यूचर टेंस के फर्स्ट डिविजन है, दैट इज सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. What is the simple future tense? हम लोग डेप्थ में पढ़ेंगे. Second subdivision is future continuous tense. Okay, then comes third comes future perfect tense, and fourth is future perfect continuous tense. So these are four subdivisions of future tense. Okay, so first of all we will learn about simple future tense. सबसे पहले हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि simple future tense क्या होता है. Okay, चलो. Now first of all I'll read out the definition to you, and the definition is the simple future tense refers to a time later now. मीन्स अभी के बाद जो टाइम आने वाला है, इस वक्त, अभी मैम इज टीचिंग राइट, अभी जो आने वाला जो वक्त है विच हैज नॉट हैपेंड येट, so later than now is this moment, right? This moment, after this moment will be called future. Okay, तो यहाँ पे simple future tense refers to a time later than now and expresses facts or certainty. Facts, फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस जो होते हैं वो तो या तो आपको फैक्ट्स बता रहे होते हैं या तो आपको सर्टेनिटी बता रहे होते हैं. सर्टेनिटी मीन्स व्हाट? श्योरिटी. ओके, surety means this action will be done in future, means I'm sure, I'm certain this action will be performed in future. Okay, yes. चलो ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एग्जाम्पल्स, विल बी डीलिंग विद द एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन हियर. सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज he will come tomorrow. Okay, now tell me, he will come tomorrow tells about what? Facts, certainty, what is it? He will come tomorrow. Now will जो है, this word is always used for future, to tell about future. Okay, will समझ जाना कि future की बात कर रहा है, ये तो clear है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि he will come tomorrow. If I say about my brother, I have a brother, and if I tell you about him that he will come tomorrow, it means I'm certain. So this sentence जो है ये आपको certainty बता रहा है कि here the person who is giving this statement is certain, right? Certainty. Because I'm sure, I'm certain that he will come tomorrow. कि वो कल आएगा ही आएगा. So future simple tense जो होते हैं, simple future tense जो होते हैं, they tell you that they express you about certainty or also facts. Now next is it will rain today. Okay, now here it will rain today. If I say it will rain today, it means I'm certain somewhere. It means कि clouds I can see here in the sky, and somewhere I'm sure that it will rain today. Okay, so simple future tense tells you, express you about facts and certainty which will happen in future, in coming time, later than now. Okay, chalo. Now the subdivisions हमने पढ़ लिए first वाले. Now we will be dealing with the second one. Future continuous tense. Simple future tense जो है वो तो हमें facts and certainty बता रहे हैं. Future facts. Okay, let me specify here. Certainty. Future facts and future certainty. Okay, now next we'll be dealing with future continuous tense, but before that we need to learn about the formulas for simple future tense. हम लोग simple future tense जो है वो facts और certainty बताते हैं, but what are the formulas for that we will be learning first. So first formula for affirmative, or you can say positive sentence, the formula is subject plus will plus V1. V1 means what? First form of verb, the base form of verb, right? So subject first, you will be placing subject, then it will be will, because will tells you about future. As I already told you, will जो होते हैं वो future में लगाते ही लगाते हैं. Okay, ठीक है. So here just have a look here. Subject I. This is the subject. So I will be placing first. पहले I आएगा because I is the subject. Then with I you have to add will because you are telling about future. So I will work. Okay, this is the first form of verb. Okay, V1. Work is first form of verb. V2 is worked. V3 is worked. Right? So simple future tense में हम लोग subject पहले लगाते हैं, then will, and then verb 1, first form of verb. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat is the first form of verb. So simple future tense में हम लोग V1 लगाते हैं. This you have to remember. Subject plus will plus V1, first form of verb. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Now, next is what if you have to give a negative statement. Negative statement के लिए जब आप ना बोलते हो किसी चीज के लिए कि ये नहीं होगा, नहीं में जब भी आप आंसर करते हो तो it means कि you will be adding not. Not means negative. Okay, so what is the formula for that, ma'am? What if I have to say no to something that it will not happen, it will not take place in future? क्योंकि एक जगह तो affirmative में it is taking place. Affirmative मतलब positive. It is taking place. Positive statement. Now, what if it is not gonna take place? अगर नहीं होने वाला है, that is what we call negative statement. उसको हम लोग जब आप ना में बोलते हो उसको negative statement बोलेंगे ना. What is the formula? So formula will have a look. मैम ने बोला कि जब भी आप negative में बोलते हो not लगा दो, है ना, वो negative हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So just have a look here on the formula. Subject plus will plus not and then plus V1. बस आपको इस वाले फॉर्मूला में whatever formula I told you, you will be applying while you are forming positive sentence or positive statement. In negative statement, you just have to add not here after will. Okay? Negative wale mein will ke baad not laga do and then V1 will come. Okay? So here just have a look here on the example. First we will place I. Okay? And then will not, because here we are talking about negative statement. यहाँ पे हम लोग जो है negative statement की बात कर रहे हैं, ना वाले में आंसर दे रहे हैं, right? Yes. And then comes V1 means work. So I will not work. अगर मैं काम करूंगा, अगर मैं positively बोल रहा हूँ, positive statement दे रहा हूँ, तो I will say I will work. If I'm not gonna do, then I will say I will not work, because here we are talking about negative statement, क्योंकि हम लोग अभी discuss कर रहे हैं negative statement, right? चलो, now we will move ahead. Now एक तो हो गया positive statement. Next was negative statement. Now what if we have to ask question related to future simple tense, right? What in that case? So interrogative means, many a times I've told you the meaning of this word. This word means question. Okay? Interrogate, while you are interrogating someone, it means you are questioning someone. Okay? Interrogate का मतलब ये होता है question करना, right? So simple future tense is related. If we have to ask a question, what is the formula for that? So there is a formula for positive statement, there is a formula for negative statement, and there is a formula for interrogative statement also. Means interrogative means questions also. Okay. So here just have a look. This is the formula. First we will place will. Question पूछना है तो question पूछने के time में आप सबसे पहले will लगाओगे. Then comes subject and then comes V1. First form of verb. This is for interrogative sentences. Okay, so here we will have a look. First we will place will. पहले हम लोग will लगाएंगे, then subject and then V1. So question will be, will I work? So there's a question mark at the end because we are talking about interrogative. Okay, so interrogative वाले में, question वाले में पहले will आता है, then comes subject and then V1, first form of verb, base form of verb. So second example is, will you work? क्या तुम काम करोगे in future? So here I'm asking a question. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ और क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए we place will first. पहले हम लोग will लगाएंगे, then subject and then V1. Okay, so I hope till here it is very clear to you. आपको simple future tense अब तक समझ में आ गया होगा. Simple future tense we use to express what? Express facts and certainty. फ्यूचर फैक्ट्स, फ्यूचर सर्टेनिटी कि फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है, क्या होगा, मतलब कल क्या होगा. अगर मैं सर्टेन हूं तो उसको बताने के लिए आई विल से कि आई विल गो. इफ आई एम श्योर अबाउट गोइंग टुमारो, आई विल से आई विल गो, कि मैं श्योर हूं. दिस टेल्स यू, दिस इंडिकेट्स यू अबाउट certainty, that the person is certain about the action, that this action will be placed in future. Okay, chalo, now we will move ahead with the next subdivision of future tense. Okay, that is future continuous tense. Okay, this is the second subdivision of future tense. Future tense का second division है. Okay, so here what is the definition of this tense? It is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in future and continue for an unexpected length of time. Now wherever you see this word like this, whenever we are talking about continuous, it means it is happening. Okay, इसका मतलब है कि वो अभी हो रहा है. Continuous मतलब it is continued now. ओके, सो इट इज हैपनिंग, अभी ये हो रहा है वाले सेंटेंसेस वी आर गोना डिस्कस, जो कि फ्यूचर में होगा, हो रहा होगा वाला मतलब, ठीक है। हो रहा होगा एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम मीन्स एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम दैट एक्शन इज कंटिन्यूड, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। जो फ्यूचर में जो है एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे कंटिन्यूड है, ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज। सो हियर इट टेल्स अस कि ये जो है future and continue for an unexpected length of time. So for an example here, he will be sleeping in the afternoon. Okay, so here if I talk about tomorrow in the afternoon, so here time is specified, right? कि afternoon में, in afternoon what he will be doing, कि इस वक्त पे आफ्टरनून टुमारो, आने वाले आफ्टरनून में what he will be doing, क्या कर रहा होगा उस टाइम पे, आफ्टरनून के वक्त में क्या कर रहा होगा। ओके, सो हियर ही विल बी स्लीपिंग, मतलब वो जो है आफ्टरनून में, उस टाइम पे, आफ्टरनून के टाइम पे इफ आई गो देयर, इफ आई हैव द इंटेंशन टू विजिट हिम, और अगर मैं जाता हूँ उससे मिलने के लिए, तो आफ्टरनून के वक्त जो है व्हाट एक्शन विल बी कंटिन्यूड देयर बाय हिम, ही विल बी स्लीपिंग, ये जो है सो रहा होगा, आई गो एंड विटनेस दैट ही इज स्लीपिंग, राइट। सो ये होता है फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, फ्यूचर में जो उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वो हो रहा होगा। नाउ वन मोर एग्जांपल आई टॉक अबाउट tomorrow at this time. What is the time right now? It's whatever time is right now, just have a look there on the clock, and now tell me what you will be doing at this particular time in future, मतलब कल इसी वक्त पे आप क्या कर रहे होगे। Then you will say I will be watching your session, ma'am. I will be watching means at that time दिस एक्शन विल बी कंटिन्यूड, वो हो रहा होगा उस पर्टिकुलर वक्त पे, पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे। ओके, इसको हम लोग फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस बोलते हैं कि फ्यूचर में वो एक्शन जो है उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे कंटिन्यूड है। ओके, ओके, नाउ दिस इज अ फॉर्मूला, फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला मीन्स एफर्मेटिव के लिए जो है, जब हम लोग पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट। पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट के लिए हम लोग, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला दैट वी आर गोना फॉलो फॉर फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। ओके, ओके, सो फर्स्ट कम सब्जेक्ट, पहले आप सब्जेक्ट लगाओगे लाइक ही शी इट यू। ओके, ये सारे आप सब्जेक्ट पहले लगाओगे, चाहे नाउन भी हो सकते, सब्जेक्ट कैन बी नाउन और प्रोनाउन। ओके, नाउ विथ सब्जेक्ट यू विल बी यूजिंग विल बी, आप जो है विल बी लगाओगे फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में सब्जेक्ट के बाद, एंड देन कम्स V1 प्लस ing, वर्ब वन में आपको ing लगा देना है, क्योंकि जब कंटिन्यूअस की बात कर रहे हैं तो उसमें ing तो होगा ही होगा। ओके, तो यहाँ पे दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, जो फ्यूचर में हो रहा होगा वो वाला है, उसका फॉर्मूला है फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट कम्स, देन यू विल बी एडिंग विल बी, and then V1 plus ing. So just have a look here on the example. First comes subject, आप पहले subject लगा रहे हो which is I, then will be, I will be working. So tomorrow at this particular time I will be working. उस time पे मैं work कर रहा होऊंगा. Okay, so I will be working. Now next example, you will be working. जैसे I said you will be working, you also at this particular time tomorrow, आप इस वक्त पे कल आने वाले टाइम में, because we are discussing about future, you will be working. आप उस टाइम पे काम कर रहे होगे। ओके, रहा होगा, रही होगी वाले सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग ऐसे फॉर्म करते हैं, जहाँ पे पहले सब्जेक्ट आता है, देन कम्स विल बी, and then comes V1 plus ing. Okay, so I hope till here it's very clear to you. So just have a look here on another example, that is he will be working. So if I'm talking about my brother, he will be working means at a particular time, maybe in the evening or tomorrow, कभी भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे he will be doing this action, he will be performing this action. Okay, yes, so here we discussed about positive statement, जब आपको positive statement देने हैं तो आपके ये फॉर्मूला है। now what if आपको अगर नेगेटिव बोलना है, नेगेटिव में what ma'am told you not you are gonna include, then only it will become negative. Okay, so here what is the formula for that, ma'am? So for that you need to place subject first, first you will write subject. So subject can be a noun or a pronoun. That I already have told you many a times. Subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Nouns or pronouns. Okay. So this must be, so let me write over here so that you will remember. It can be noun or pronoun. Now with this subject you will be writing will not. Now you are gonna add not to the sentence to make it negative. Negative बनाने के लिए हमेशा हम लोग not लगाते हैं, right? So subject, just give me a moment. Subject plus will. Subject is I, will not be. Okay, so initially in positive statement it was will be, right? अब will और be के बीच में जो है ये not लगा दोगे to make the sentence negative, to make the future continuous tense negative. Okay, so initially in positive statement it was will be. Now not comes in between will and be, okay, to make it negative. And V1 with ing. This is the formula for negative statements if you are talking about future continuous tense. Okay, so one more example I would like to present here, which is you will not be working. मतलब तुम काम नहीं कर रहे होगे. So इससे पहले हमने डिस्कस किए पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट where काम कर रहे होगे. Now since we are discussing about negative statement, तो अब काम नहीं कर रहे होगे in future. Okay. Okay, so now he will not be working. So here between will and be comes not everywhere because we are talking about negative. So will और be के बीच में आप जो है not लगा दोगे, then it will become negative. Okay, negative statement. Okay, ma'am. So अभी हमने पढ़ लिए future continuous tense के positive statement. What is the formula for positive statement? What is the formula for negative statement? Now, what if we have to ask question related to future continuous tense? Future continuous tense से अगर हमें question पूछने हैं, सवाल पूछने हैं, then what, ma'am? What is the formula for asking question for future continuous tense? Okay, so here is the formula for questions. Interrogative means, ma'am already told you, and I keep on repeating. Interrogative means asking questions. Okay, so here this is the formula for asking questions if we are talking about future continuous tense, right? So here will come first. Will जो है पहले आ जाएगा because you are asking question, right? So will पहले आएगा, then subject comes, then be, then verb 1 ing. Okay, so now what happened? First you will place will. अब क्या हुआ, क्वेश्चन पूछने के टाइम में will जो है आपका पहले आ जाएगा, then comes subject, then comes be, and then comes working. Okay, तो will I be working? क्या मैं working रहूंगा? And question mark as well. Don't forget to put question mark because while you are asking a question, the question has to be ended with a question mark, right? Question जब आप पूछते हो, then you are supposed to put a question mark at the end. Okay, okay. So here another example I am presenting over here. Will he be working? क्या वो काम कर रहा होगा? So here basically we are asking question, right? Related to future continuous tense. So this is the formula for asking questions. Will subject plus be plus verb 1 v1 ing. Okay, so will she be working? Will it be working? It means you're asking questions if you find will here at the first place. अगर will पहले आ गया subject से, it means कि that is a question. Okay, और इसके लिए हम जो है formula जो apply करते हैं, that is will subject be and then verb 1 ing. Okay, okay, चलो ठीक है. अब जो है we will discuss about future perfect tense. Okay, so till now we discussed simple future tense, then we discussed future continuous tense. Now we are going to discuss about future perfect tense. Now let me tell you, whenever we are talking about perfect future, तो पता चल गया कि will तो वहां पे रहेगा ही रहेगा because we are talking about future. Now what about this perfect? What happens with perfect? perfect के साथ you are supposed to use has and have while you are talking about future. जब future के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो perfect अगर है तो वहां पे you are supposed to use has or have. Okay. Yes. So has we use for singular noun or pronoun, have we use for plural. Okay. So perfect देखते ही आपको समझ जाना है कि perfect है तो हमें has और have तो use करना ही है for future and present. Okay. Okay, so here what is the definition of it? It is a verb tense used for action that will be completed before some other point of time in the future. So what the definition says? Definition क्या बोल रहा है यहाँ पे कि it is a verb tense used for actions that will be completed before some other point of time in the future. Okay, so what happens? I would like to give you one example here by drawing something on the screen. So मान लो कि this is a future point. Okay, ये जो है ये present है. Okay, ये present है and an action started here. Okay, यहाँ से शुरू हुआ एक action जो है this action यहाँ पे start हुआ. Okay, started. Now it comes, this is a future point. Okay, ये जो है future point है which is also called deadline. Okay, so if it is a deadline, you are not supposed to reach this point, but you are supposed to complete that action before this point because this is a deadline, right? अगर आप deadline तक पहुंच जाओगे तो you will be dead, right? So you are supposed to finish this action which you started in present before this deadline, okay? So for that we use future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, an action that we are talking about is continued in present. Abhi wo continued hai, but you are supposed to complete that action, finish that action before a point of time in future. Okay, so for example, one example I've mentioned here, that is he will have done it by the evening. Okay, so here deadline, what is the deadline here? Deadline is evening, right? So let me mention here deadline. Okay, so if deadline is evening, अगर deadline जो है वो evening है, tomorrow evening, just give me a moment please. So if deadline is evening, deadline, it is the deadline. Okay, tomorrow evening is the deadline. Now what action we are talking about right now, that action is supposed to be finished before evening or by the evening तक वो काम हो जानी चाहिए in future. Okay, so this is what we call future perfect tense. Okay, so he will have done it. So he has, for example, he has started doing his homework. Okay, right now he is doing his homework. He already has started doing homework. Now deadline is tomorrow evening. Okay, so if his action will be finished by this time, by the deadline point, then for that we need to form future perfect tense, like he will have done his homework by the evening. Okay, अब वो जो है evening तक जो है he will have done, वो जो है कर लिया होगा अपना homework. Okay, ठीक है. So here the formula for that, first formula that we are going to discuss about is affirmative. Affirmative means what? Positive, as I told you. So what if you have to give positive statement here? Positive statement. अगर आपको जो है future perfect को लेके positive statement देने हैं, so what will be the formula for that? The formula for that is, first you will be placing subject, then comes will have. What ma'am told you, because we are talking about perfect here, right? Future perfect. So you are supposed to use has or have with will. Will तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. Why? Because will talks about future. तो जब भी हम लोग फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं, विल तो रहेगा ही रहेगा. नाउ व्हाई हैव? बिकॉज वी आर डिस्कसिंग परफेक्ट, राइट? और मैम ने बोला है कि परफेक्ट में आपको यू आर सपोज टू यूज हैज और हैव. ओके, यस. नाउ V3. Then after this you are supposed to use V3. V3, what is V3? Third form of verb, like eat, ate, eaten. Eaten is the third form of verb. So you're supposed to use V3 with uh, future perfect tense. Okay, so one example I've mentioned here, that is I will have worked. So what ma'am told you, future perfect tense mein you are supposed to use will have, okay, and then V3, third form of verb that you're supposed to use. Okay, next example, you will have worked. तुमने काम कर लिया होगा. You will have worked in future by this deadline point. There's a deadline point in future. So by that time you will be done with this work. तुमने ये काम कर लिया होगा by that time. Okay, before reaching the deadline. Okay. चलो next example is she will have worked. It will have worked. Okay, so will के साथ we are not supposed to, we cannot say will has. This is wrong. Okay, will has is wrong. This is not correct. We never use will has. Will ke saath we always use have. Will have. Okay. So this you have to remember. Now next is negative. What if you have to answer in negative? So negative mein ma'am already told you are supposed to include not. Right? Okay. So here first comes subject. पहले आप subject लगाओगे, whether it's a noun or a pronoun. Then comes will, not आ गया बीच में, will and have के पहले. Initially in positive statement it was will have, now it is will not have because we are talking about negative. तो मैम ने क्या बोला था, you are supposed to include not here in such kind of sentence is in negative statement, right? तो यहाँ पे पहले पॉजिटिव वाले में just have a look here, यहाँ पे देख लो एक बार, will have के बीच में वहां पे no नहीं है because here we are talking about, we are giving a positive statement. Since we are giving a negative statement here, so will, between will and have we have placed not. Okay, because not indicates negative statement, right? Okay, so formula, and then you are supposed to use V3, third form of verb. So first is I will not have worked. So for example, if I've started doing my homework and the deadline point is evening, deadline evening mein hai, and I'm supposed to finish the homework by that time, but what I believe I will not be able to complete the homework by the deadline. So what statement I will be giving for that? I will say I will not have completed the homework by the evening. Okay. So negative में ना में आंसर देना है तो उसके लिए आपको ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है for what? For future perfect. Future perfect. Here we are discussing future perfect. Okay. So future perfect के negative statement आप ऐसे form करते हो, subject will not have, third form of verb. Okay, अगर आपने नहीं किया होगा before that point of time or by that point of time. Okay, so another example here is you will not have worked. तुमने ये काम जो है नहीं किया होगा. You will not have worked. Okay, yes. So this is the formula that you have to remember. Next we will talk about कि मैम अगर सवाल पूछने हैं, पॉजिटिव देना है तो उसका फॉर्मूला समझ में आ गया, नेगेटिव देना है तो नॉट लगा देना है. Now what about we have to ask question? Okay, so interrogative means what? Question, right? Interrogative का मतलब question होता है. So while you're asking question, for that formula is first you will place will. Question में will पहले आ जाएगा. I already have told you, right? जब भी आप future को लेके कुछ सवाल पूछ रहे हो, will you are gonna place at first. Okay, then comes subject, then comes have, and then V3. Okay, so here one example, will I have worked, question mark, because you are asking a question. So question वाले में if we are talking about future, future के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और question पूछ रहे हैं तो will हमेशा शुरू में आएगा. Okay, then comes subject, then comes have, and then worked. Okay, so will you have worked, will you have completed the homework by the evening? अगर आपको सवाल पूछना है कि क्या तुमने ये कर लिया होगा इवनिंग तक फ्यूचर में, तो नहीं. अगर नहीं है तो नो बोलोगे, हाँ है तो हाँ बोलोगे, राइट? यस. सो दिस इज बेसिकली वी आर डिस्कसिंग व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. Okay, while we are talking about future perfect tense. So will, you will be placing first, then comes subject, then comes have, and then comes V3. Okay, third form of verb. Okay, and don't forget to put question mark there, because while you're asking a question or if you are writing a question there, you are supposed to put a question mark at the end. नाउ कम्स फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. अब फ्यूचर परफेक्ट तो पढ़ लिया हमने, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस क्या है? सो हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू, फॉर फ्यूचर वी ऑलवेज यूज विल, राइट? परफेक्ट के लिए मैम ने बोला है व्हाट? परफेक्ट के लिए मैम ने बोला है कि हम लोग हैज हैव यूज करते हैं, राइट? ओके, बट विल के साथ हमेशा ही हम लोग हैव यूज करेंगे. दैट आल्सो आई टोल्ड यू. Then while we are talking about continuous, means action that is being continued at that particular time, means continuous मतलब happening, वो हो रहा है. ओके okay? हो रहा होगा. अभी हम लोग फ्यूचर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हो रहा होगा. ओके, सो कंटिन्यूस टेंस. So these three things you have to remember. If you remember these छोटा छोटा point, you would be able to remember the formula that we will be discussing after this. Okay, so the proper definition of it is a verb tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point of time in future. Okay, so what it means? It means he will have been doing this for 3 months. So for example, this is a point. Here also I will draw and make you understand something with the help of that. So this is a point, okay, and this is another point. दो points मैम ने draw किए, ठीक है? So future perfect tense होता है जो बोलता है कि describes actions that will continue up until a time. So suppose present में I'm doing something, okay? Presently I'm teaching, okay? Present में I am teaching, and what if I believe it will be continued, ये continued till to 2022. Okay, this is year we are talking about. So right now I am teaching, right? Present में मैम पढ़ा रही हैं, and it will be continued till 2020. और ये 2020 तक जो है, year तक जो है, I believe that I will be teaching. मैं जो है 2022 तक जो है पढ़ा रही होंगी. Okay, so for that, what in that matter? In that matter, what is the formula for that? I'll tell you. So before that, let me present the example over here. So example is he will have been doing this for 3 months. Okay, वो जो भी कर रहा है ना, whatever he is doing presently, he will continue with it for 3 months. For next 3 months means coming time है ना वो 3 months. So next के 3 months जो है वो जो भी अभी कर रहा है present में, it will be continued. So that is what we call future perfect continuous. कि अभी आप कुछ कर रहे हो and you believe कि for next 3 months or for next 2 years or for next 5 years you will keep on doing this action, then you can say I will have been teaching. For example, अभी मैंने आपको अपनी example दी कि I am teaching right now. Present में मैम जो है मैम teaching कर रही है, right? मैम पढ़ा रही हैं. अब ये एक्शन जो है मैम प्रेजेंट में तो कर ही रही है, बट मैम बिलीव्स दैट शी विल कीप ऑन टीचिंग टिल 2022. सो इसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए मैम जो है कैसे सेंटेंस फॉर्म कर रही है? मैम बोल रही है आई विल हैव बीन टीचिंग फॉर next 2 years. Okay, for next 2 years means coming time, this action will be continued till that time, right? So this is what we call future perfect continuous tense. And the formula, first formula, affirmative, we are going to discuss first. Affirmative means positive statement, right? While you're giving positive statement related to future perfect continuous, what is the formula for that? Positive statement. So first comes subject, पहले subject आता है, then you will be placing will, then have, been. Okay, future perfect continuous में will, future, since we are talking about future, will तो होंगे ही होंगे. Since we are discussing perfect also, have तो होंगे ही होंगे will के साथ, and have के साथ will be there been, and then V1 and ing. V1 plus ing. Okay, this is the formula for positive statement. So for example, I will have been working. मैं ये काम कर रहा होऊंगा means अभी तो right now I'm working, and I will be working for next 3 months, for next 5 months. Okay, yes. So इसका जो है फॉर्मूला है, पहले आप सब्जेक्ट लगाते हो, so you is the subject here, then you place will because we are talking about future. फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे तो will तो होगा ही होगा. And since we are talking about perfect, future perfect continuous, तो perfect की वजह से have तो will के साथ लगाते ही लगाते हैं, और उसके साथ जो है been आ जाएगा. Okay, and then V1 में ing लगा दोगे. Okay, so this is the formula that you have to remember while you are giving positive statement. जब आप positive statement दे रहे हो तो ये formula आपको follow करने हैं. Okay, so next example, he will have been. अब यहाँ पे देख लो, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ he will have been playing, so he is a badminton player. Suppose my brother is a badminton player, I'm talking about him. So right now he plays badminton. अभी तो वो खेलता ही है badminton. Now future maybe वो खेलेगा, right? But कब तक? So he will have been working, he will have been playing badminton for next 3 months, for next 2 years. He will have been playing badminton till 2020-22. Okay, so this is how we form positive statement while we are talking about future perfect continuous. Future will perfect के साथ आपको have लगाना ही है और उसके साथ been लगाना है, then V1 के साथ ing लगाना है. Okay, next we will discuss what if we have to give negative statement. अगर हमें future perfect continuous का जो है negative statement देना है, ना में आंसर देना है, तो सीधे not लगा दो उसमें, right? वो सिंपल चीज आपको करनी है कि not लगा देना है. Okay, so यहाँ पे देख लो क्या हुआ है कि आप will और यहाँ पे have been में affirmative में आपको जो है will have been था. अब negative में आपको not लगाना है तो will और have been के बीच में आप not लगा दोगे, है ना? बाकी का सब कुछ सेम रहेगा, आप बीच में not लगा दोगे will और have been के. Okay, so here first comes subject, which can be either noun or pronoun. Then comes will because we are talking about future. Then not because negative की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे negative statement you are giving. Then comes have been and then V1 ing. This is the formula for future perfect continuous while you are giving negative statement. जब आप negative statement देते हो तो ये formula आपको use करना है. ओके, एफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव में बस एक डिफरेंस है कि एफर्मेटिव में आप विल हैव बीन लगाते हो और जब आप नेगेटिव की बात कर रहे हो तो विल और हैव बीन के बीच में आप ये नॉट लगाते हो. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस between these two formulas. Okay, now what if you have to ask question? अगर आपको सवाल पूछना है फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को लेके, बिकॉज इंटरोगेटिव मतलब क्वेश्चन होता है, राइट? अब अगर क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो उसका भी तो कोई फॉर्मूला होगा, राइट? अब यहाँ पे उसमें क्या होता है कि जब भी मैम ने क्या बोला फ्यूचर की बात करेंगे तो सवाल पूछते टाइम पे सबसे पहले आपका विल आ जाएगा जब आप while you are asking a question related to future, whether it's a simple future tense, whether it's a future perfect tense, whether it's a future perfect continuous tense, आप future की बात कर रहे हो and if you're asking a question then will be placed at this initial place, right? पहले आप will लगाओगे, then comes subject, then comes have been and then V1 ing. V1 ing means जब भी हम लोग continuous की बात करते हैं तो ing तो लगाते ही है ना? Yes. तो यहाँ पे ये this is the formula for asking question related to future perfect continuous tense. So for example, will I have been working? क्या मैं काम कर रहा हूँगा for next 3 months? Okay. So this is how you form question. Will you have been working? Okay, so will he have been playing for next 3 months, for next 2 years, for next 5 years? क्या जो अभी जो action कर रहा है, whatever action he is doing right now, like for example action, I am teaching. So will I have been teaching in next 2 years? So while you're asking question, this is the formula for that. First you'll be placing will, then comes subject. Subject can be noun or pronoun. Then comes have been and then V1 plus ing. Why? Because we are discussing continuous. Future perfect continuous जो होता है उसमें आपको you're supposed to add ing in V1. Okay, so I hope till here it's very clear to you. If it's not clear, you can ask me any doubts, whatever doubts you have, you can put your comments below and I will receive your comments and I'll resolve your doubts. Okay, so today we specially learned about future tense, right? So future tense tells you, indicates you about future action, the action which has not happened yet but will take place in future, in coming time. That is what future tense is. Then we learned about 4 divisions of future tense. First we learned simple future tense. Simple future tense tells you about certainty. facts, future certainty, right? Then we learned about future continuous tense. So what if an action in future will be taking place at a particular time? एक particular time पे वो action चल रहा होगा. Then what? That is what we call future continuous tense. Okay? Then we learned about future perfect tense. So whatever action you are doing right now, okay, and there is a deadline for that by evening or by tomorrow. For that, you form future perfect tense that this action will be done by that time. Okay. Now, next comes, then we learned about future perfect continuous tense. Means whatever you are doing right now, for example, you are a learner, right? For example, I'm a teacher. So the action which I'm doing right now, I'm teaching. So till what time I will be continued with this action in future, in next 2 years, in next 2 months. So for that, we form future perfect continuous tense, and the formulas also we learned for every division of future tense, right? Affirmative, negative, and interrogative, right? So I hope you learned, I hope you understood the topic well. If you have not understood, let me know. I'll resolve all the doubts whatever you have. Okay, so now it's time for me to remind you once again. Let's have an Academy app because ma'am is also going to conduct lots of quizzes there on the platform. मैम बहुत सारे quizzes करवाने वाली है अन अकेडमी के platform पे. And also you should have अन अकेडमी subscription, तो लेना ही लेना है because you're gonna have बहुत सारे benefits आपको मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, right? Subscription लेने पे जो मैम ने आपको पहले बता दिए. अब यहाँ पे आपको what are the steps you have to follow, you are supposed to follow to have the app in your phone. First you need to go to the Play Store. There you need to type An Academy. आप An Academy type करोगे और वैसे ही क्या होता है, An Academy learning app will come up. There you need to click on, and then you will be getting option of installation. So there you are supposed to click. जैसे ही आप click करोगे, you will go inside the app. There in the manage goals, you will be finding every category there. So category wise they are mentioned. So from there you need to select your category. राइट आपको अपनी कैटेगरी जो है वो वहां से सिलेक्ट करनी है और जैसे ही आप सिलेक्ट करोगे इट विल बी आस्किंग यू कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन यू वांट. Okay, kind of subscription also I told you initially, right? So for the time being, suppose you want plus subscription, there you need to click. जैसे आप click करोगे it will ask you to get the subscription, so there also you have to click. Now it's time for you to tell the app for how many months you want the subscription. जो subscription आप ले रहे हो वो कितने महीने के लिए ले रहे हो वो तो आपने पहले फिगर आउट कर रखा है. तो आप यहाँ से you need to select that thing, and then while doing the payment, if you apply the code given in red, which is SMRITI10, you will be getting instant 10% का discount. That's guaranteed. Okay, किसी भी category के लिए ले रहे हो, कितने भी months के लिए ले रहे हो, if you apply my code, which is SMRITI10, you will be getting 10% off on the payment, whatever amount you have to pay. Okay, chalo theek hai. Now it's about my channel. So Smriti ma'am has started her channel here on YouTube, which is named as English Junior Pro. So if you have to become pros, come to my channel, bring your friends, bring your relatives, bring your cousins, everyone here to the channel, make them subscribe the channel, make them attend my sessions. If they like my sessions, they will hit the like button and share with everyone. This is the way how we are going to spread this thing around. Okay, so here ma'am will be teaching you everything, means I will be teaching you everything related to English. It will be grammar or literature or vocabulary or many more chit chat sessions or special sessions where you can come with your doubts, where you can come with your questions, whatever you feel like asking me, and ma'am will be answering every question, means I will be answering every question of you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Chalo theek hai. Now I have to say thank you to everyone for being so interactive, for being so participative, and I hope you gain knowledge from this session. और अगर कोई भी doubt हो तो जल्दी से मैम को बता देना. मैम is always there for you. So meet you tomorrow again. Bye bye. Take care.